Hi, welcome to 50 Plus Tech. Today I am going to super quick open up this new subscription box that I got for my 3D printer. It's for Filament. It is called the makerbox, and I got the easy plan for $15.95 a month just to see if I like it. It comes with 4 filament samples, and like I said, it's $15.95 a month, I think. I saw this on 3D Printing Nerd, and he did a tour, and it just seemed like it might be something kind of fun because, like I mentioned before, I really enjoy the filament aspect of the 3D printing, and I'm going to try some different stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tip the camera so that you can see it, because I haven't figured out how to do both. So bear with me, because you're going to be looking at the box in my hands for a little bit, and then I'll tip it back up. So let's just do that real quick. Make sure you can see the box. All right, and I might just, there you go. Okay, so this is the very first one. I've never received one before. It's really cute. They have a little get your fill on, F-I-L. Get it? Okay, if you get to know me, you know that I love dad jokes or plays on words. So let's see what this looks like in here. I hope I didn't just show you my address. I'll have to face it out, blur it out. Okay, it says I'm inside makerbox. I like the little logo. It's kind of cute. All right, so let's see what we've got in here. Make sure you guys can see that, okay? Okay, it comes, what are these other boxes? Cryptid Crate. Okay, so they have an advertisement for different boxes that they have. When maker boxes are shipped. Oh, I got some gummy bears. There you go. All right, little maker box sticker. Does I see that okay? Yeah. Box Mountain is the name of the company. The website is Box Mountain LLC. Okay. Let's see what this is. Welcome to my first maker box. I won't read the whole thing, but they send you like a welcome thing. I'll read that later. What is this? Okay, get the most out of your maker box. All right, so let's see what we got. Biofusion Venom Green. Ooh, that's a pretty green. Have to make something really small with that. This is a PLA. Hot end temperature 205, bed temperature 60, speed about 20 to 40. Extruder Biofusion, a new generation of special bio-based materials designed for designers and makers. The filament is really easy to work with, resulting in exceptional results even with little experience. I asked them not to send me, I'm not quite brave enough for other types of, oh, you can see that okay, with other types of filaments yet. I only have the one printer, and I don't do a whole lot of changing on the hot end and stuff like that. And there's a little more closer, you can see the color. Okay, so that's one. Refuel Pro PLA. What was this? This said it was PLA, right? Yeah. Okay, and this is more of a gray, blue gray kind of color. I'm just checking to see that you guys can see it. All right. You're seeing behind the scenes how I'm trying to do this kind of stuff. All right, and that's a neat color too. And this one was how big? 50 grams. And this one is, where's the gram? Oh, 46 grams. Oh, here's a pretty red, like a reddish, almost auburn. Pretty. And I think this one's probably a 45 or 50. Same type, 200 to 240. C hot end. 60C. Printed Solid's own exclusive filament line. Okay, so these are different. Looks like they're different. Oh, it's blood red. That one was venom green. Okay. And then when I get a print on there, I will show you guys what I decide to print with these. I haven't decided yet, but I like. And purple. I love purple. Multicolor HTPLA. Double length. So I got 100 gram. So I got twice. Can you guys see that color? Here's the thing, I'm going to turn it over so you can actually see it. That is really, really pretty. I love that. I definitely have to find something to print with this. Really neat. I like it a lot. I tend to like the pinks and purples and things like that. Anyway, proto-pasta. Buy proto-pasta, amount 100 grams. So that was $15.95, 100. What did I say this one was? 45. So 245 or 250 grams. So that's really neat. I think that was well worth the $15.95. And when I decide what I'm going to print with these, I will tell you guys. This was from the PLA from makerbox. So I am really happy with all the stuff that came in here. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, and let me just, let me go like this real quick so you don't, there you go. All right, see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.